How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get a couple of amazing and really spicy apps for your Firestick or Android TV device. And the whole process is actually really simple. So the first step you gotta take is get the app code downloader to your Firestick. You can get downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. So just go to search and start typing downloader in the search bar. Click on it and then here's the app that you gotta download. But after you got downloader, it's actually not over yet because we still have to set it up. To do so, we'll go to settings by clicking this button with a gear icon, then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it. And now in here, what we need to do is turn on developer options on your Firestick. But on some Firesticks and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you are unable to locate developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Firestick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps, and now what you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Firestick, open it, and here's the downloader. But before actually using the loader on your Firestick device, I always recommend connecting to a VPN first. All you have to do in a VPN is just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Australia, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and everything you do online stays private. And it is really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we just have to locate downloader, open it up, and wait until it loads for you. And when it does, you just open this search right here, and here we'll be entering the codes. So the first code will be 863078. So once again, it's 863078. That's the first code we're gonna use. Click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. In my case, I got a pretty fast connection, so that shouldn't take more than 5 or maybe 10 seconds. And now when the app got downloaded, you also have to install it to your device, so click on the installation button, and now just wait for the app to finish installing to your Firestick. And then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your device. So we click on delete and then delete once again. And now if you go to the list of apps on your Firestick, you will open it, and here at the bottom you'll find the first app that we have downloaded. So now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And so this way we got the first app for you, and now we go back to downloader and I'll show you how to get one more amazing app, which is similar to the first one. So the second code will be 127586. So once again, 127586. That is the second code we have to enter, so enter it as you see, and then click on go. So click on go, and now the download of the app is going to start. And yep, there you go, the download has finally started for us. So we just follow the same steps as with the first application. You click install and make sure to get the app installed to your Fire TV. After that, click on done and delete those unnecessary files from your device. So it's that simple. And then let's go to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick device, open it up. Now it will load for us in a couple of moments. And here's the second app that we installed for you. So let's put it up front as well, and now you got two amazing spicy apps on your Firestick. So enjoy the apps and see you next time. Bye bye.